Hello everyone, this is Dr. D.S. Musky. Today we are going to discuss about rights of consumers. On the basis of this rights of consumers, you will be asked different types of questions. Of course, this question is from unit number 1, same 4, and the topic name is Significant Contemporary Rights of Citizens. So on the basis of that, you will be asked one question, and this question is, you can see question number 1, explain the rights of consumers. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 lists out 6 consumer rights such as right to choose, right to safety, right to be informed, right to be heard, right to redress, right to education. And apart from the 6 rights, there are also other consumer rights, and they are right to basic needs and right to healthy environment. So let us understand. We'll go one by one, step by step. Let us see the first right of consumer, and that right name is right to choose. Consumers have the right to buy the product of their choice. A consumer should be given freedom to choose any product as per his or her requirements, preferences, and the purchasing power. As a result of this right, manufacturers or sellers offer different models or designs of the same product category. This right facilitates promotion of the competition and the overcoming monopoly. Okay, so this was about the right to choose. Now let's learn next right name is a right to safety. This is right to safety is a right of consumers. So right to safety. A consumer has the right to be protected against certain goods which are dangerous to human health or life. Consumer has the right to receive an assurance from the producer about the quality, reliability, and the performance of goods. For products like electrical appliances, automobiles, etc., considerable safety is required. Similarly, food articles, medicines, and other products should be free from toxic substances that are harmful for the humans, and therefore businessman must produce goods that conform to established standards. So this was about the right to safety. Now let us move toward the next rights of consumer is right to be informed. A consumer has the right to know the basic information about the products in respect of price and quality. Number 2, date of manufacture and the expiry date, as well as instructions for the handling or use of the products and warranty period. So consumer has these different kinds of rights. uh, this was about the right to be informed. Now let us understand the next consumer right is right to be heard. Right to be heard. This right gives an opportunity to consumers to register their complaints and grievances relating to products which they use. Through this right, the complaint of the consumers are heard and given due attention by the concerned authorities. The consumers can complain regarding poor quality of the product, poor after sale services, etc. The consumers can make a complaint to the manufacturer or seller regarding the deficiency of the product or services. If seller does not resolve the complaint, the consumer can approach consumer association like Consumer Guidance Society of India or the government authorities. So this was about the right to be heard. Now let us understand, let us learn the next right of consumer, that is a right to redress. The consumers can seek redressal against the unfair practices, poor quality, faulty after sale services, etc. by manufacturers or sellers. This right enables consumer to get compensation if he has suffered a loss or is put inconvenience due to the fault of the manufacturer or supplier. A consumer has to right to get the product repaired or replaced or refund of money, isn't it? So this was about the right to redress. Now let us see the next rights of consumers is right to consumer education. Right to consumer education. This right aims to educating consumers of their rights. This right makes consumer well informed and conscious of his rights. Government authorities and the consumer association can educate consumers in respect of: number one, features and special marks of quality such as ISI mark. Number two, information on the packages that needs to be considered. Number three, rights of consumer. Number four, redressal agencies for the seeking compensation. Number five, produce to file consumer complaints. The government can undertake the media campaign to create awareness among the consumers of their rights. For example, government undertakes the campaign Jago Grahak Jago. Okay, so just we have seen the different 1 2 3 4 5 6 different types of rights of consumers. For example, right to choose, right to safety, right to be informed, right to be heard, right to raise, and right to consumers education. In addition to 6 basic rights, we have again 2 consumers right. Number one is right to basic needs, and the second one is right to healthy environment. Okay, so let us understand these two rights. These two rights are additional rights of consumers rights. So let us understand for the right to basic needs. Consumers are human beings and they have a basic need relating to food, clothing and shelter. They also need to have a basic education and health services. Government is responsible to provide basic human needs of its citizens, isn't it? Of course, that is their duty to protect us, protect our right. Okay, now let us understand, let us move toward the next and the last right of consumer is right to healthy environment. Right to healthy environment. Of course, everyone wants their environment should be clean and healthy for their survival. So right to healthy environment, consumers have the right for the clean and healthy environment, and therefore government has introduced pollution control measures to be adopted by the business firms. If businesses firms do not adopt pollution control measures, their business activities can be suspended and they may have to pay heavy penalty. Okay, so dear all of you all, what we learned from this, so we have different kinds of consumers right. So these rights are, I repeat again, right to choose, a right to safety, right to be heard, right to be heard, right to redress, right to consumers education, right to basic needs, and the last right is right to healthy environment. I think you all of you all well understood. Okay, thank you, thank you so much all of you all. Thanks a lot.